Hi, my beauties. This is Jan, cosmetic formulator for Purèz Cosmetics. I believe beauty should be pure, timeless, and nourishing to the skin. At Purèz, our skincare is crafted with love and purpose. From cleansers to moisturizers to treatment oils, all rooted in plant therapy and free from synthetic additives. Our makeup is inspired by classic elegance, cake mascaras, natural eyeshadows, and twist-up liners, all made with skin-loving ingredients. Each formula is created to enhance your natural beauty with soft powders, botanical mists, and our signature lipsticks in vintage style cases. Purèz is for women who care about what goes into their beauty. No silicones, no harsh chemicals, just pure, honest ingredients that work in harmony with your skin. Purèz Cosmetics, a return to beauty that's as real as you are. Stay beautiful.